Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Who can tell me what is the day today? Today is?
Is 27?
27 September. 27
Excellent.
September.
What about the day? Today is?
Monday.
Excellent. Today is Monday. Yesterday we were talking about how scientists today can use models. Why would a scientist use a model? Can you tell me?
To investigate?
A teacher to explain something or to explore something.
Excellent. Very good answer. Thank you all. Everyone. Thank you guys. Yes, to explain or to explain, explore, also to investigate. Very good. Very good. Okay, what is a model? What is a model?
It's like a kind of like the moon. They give you something that looks like the moon, but it's not the moon.
Excellent. They do, or they make something that looks like the real thing so they can study or explain on it. And even if I want to tell someone about something, I will make a model to make it easier for others to use to get to the information.
I told them when message class started.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sila. Okay, guys, now I want you to tell me, do you remember the kinds of models that scientists use? Yesterday we talked about
The mental model.
Excellent. There's a mental model. Very good.
And I don't know something. The second what is it called? I know.
Okay, what about your homework? Did you draw something for me?
The two-dimensional model.
What does it mean? Like what does it mean?
Two-dimensional model. Two-dimensional model.
And a three-dimensional model.
A three-dimensional model. Excellent.
Metal model.
One more. Yes, mental model. And there's one more.
What does it call?
Like games, like video games.
Computer model.
Excellent. Computer model. Very good. Yesterday we said that scientists make models to investigate questions and also to explain conclusion. And we said a model can represent something real. Maybe it's too big or too small, or it has too many parts to investigate directly. So they make a model of it to become easier for others to investigate or to explain and understand. We said there is a two-dimensional model. A two-dimensional model has what and what? It has two things. What are they? Come on, a two-dimensional model. It has two things.
It has just
It has a width
and length.
Excellent. It has a width and length. What about a three-dimensional model? It has what and what? A three-dimensional model.
Width, length, and height.
It has length.
Excellent. Length, width, and height. Excellent. Very good. So it has a length, width, and height. Very good. Very good. Excellent, girls. Well done. Now let's take a look. Can you give me an example of a two-dimensional model? A two-dimensional model always is what? Popping up or flat?
Flat.
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 Like what? For example,
paper.
A paper or a map or what?
Or a diagram.
Excellent. Or a diagram. Very good, Yadana. Very good. Very good. It can be a drawing, a diagram, or a map. It has a length and a width. Also, a three-dimensional model can be popping up, okay? It has a length, width, and also a height. We said also we have a scale model. A scale model show you how smaller or bigger something is, okay? It's a scale model. When you play with sizes, it's a scale model. A computer model using a computer program, they can make you feel like you are actually moving through space, as we said yesterday, just like the games you play. And finally, the mental model, it's a picture where? In your
Mine.
excellent, well done. Okay, today we are going to learn why it matters to learn about models. Who use models? Weather models will save lives. You know that? Do you know why weather models will save lives? Why would models save lives? Especially about weather. Hi, Dana, think with me. Why it's important?
Save life?
Yes, how it's gonna save lives?
Like how are we gonna save life?
How, if you have a model about weather, will save lives, huh?
Like we will have a model and then investigate and try to find how we are gonna do it.
Okay, thank you, Dana.
Try to find
Yes,
out.
يا ماريا موفق. Yes, يا ماريا.
Like when we tell whether people can know, like if they can go out or no.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well done, Yamania. Well done. Yes. When people knows about weather, they can know if they can go out or not. If they have to stay at home or to, they can go house, because dangerous weather can happen suddenly. Hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, and winter storms can harm people, pets, and houses. So, how can models save their lives? When you study about it or you tell people about it. Okay, what do you call the scientist who tell people about the weather? Remember? What do we call this guy? He is what?
What?
What do we
A weather reporters.
the weather
It's
reporter?
the breaking news, but of the weather. Breaking news.
Yes, yes, excellent. He's a weather reporter. What happens? What really happens? We have satellite all the way up in space that can take pictures, and these pictures can be a two-dimensional model. Look at this picture, written Florida with the red coloring over here. This red coloring means that there is almost a soon hurricane coming, okay? So a reporter will tell people about it so they can be safe and stay at home. So this model is a two-dimensional model. Why it's a two-dimensional model? Because it's a picture. It has a length and a width only. See? If it's a picture, it's a two-dimensional model. Does it help people? Yes, it is. It helps people. How? It tells them about what's going to happen in the next few hours so they can take their chance to survive, okay? They will stay home. They will stay away from windows. This is how models can be very helpful. Also, a meteorologist, as we said, will definitely use a satellite data, okay, to make a computer model. A computer model means that they will use a program, a computer program. Why? Tell people about the weather. Let's see like what? Take a look at this picture. This picture is what? Is it a three-dimensional or two-dimensional model? What do you think?
Three.
A three-dimensional model. Well done. Why it's a three-dimensional model?
Because height.
Yes, because it has height, and you see it looks like popping up. A three-dimensional model. A meteorologist use what to make three-dimensional model?
Cloud.
She uses what? A computer program because he used a computer. A three-dimensional model. How can you make a three-dimensional? You use what?
Computer program.
Excellent, excellent. This computer program makes the meteorologist tell us or show us the height of the clouds of the storm. See, this is the height of the storm, the height of the clouds. It will tell us if the storm is too heavy or not, if it's strong or not. Can you see? It shows the height of what? Of the clouds. So a three-dimensional model can be done with a computer program. Now, getting the word out. So this is a weather reporter who uses model. Also, he uses a map for TV and internet viewers to see. The map can change to show how fast and where bad weather will be. See? So he needs this map or this two-dimensional model to explain the weather for others. See? So he needs a model. Which kind of model?
كنت أدور النوتيلا فين ما قالت له فين.
Can you tell me which kind of model?
كنت أدور فين النوتيلا فين النوتيلا.
Come on, guys. Can you tell me which kind of model does a meteorologist use to tell people about the weather? Why everyone is closing their cameras? Guys, I need to send names by the end of the day. Shall I send all your names? Please, guys, open your cameras. Everyone. Everyone. Where's Fatima, Rima, Lara, Haya? Where are they? Okay. So this weather reporter is using what? Which kind of model, ya Gamar?
It's using the two-dimensional.
Excellent. And what do you call it, the two-dimensional model here? This is what?
Get the word out.
This is a map. Excellent. This is a map. Well done. Now open to page 51, please. Who will read the question for me?
Me.
Let me see. Please, Lara, Fatima, Rima, Haya, open your cameras. Please, please, please. Okay.
Can I read?
Yes, please. Yes, please read for me the question.
You can use models to help your family be prepared for dangerous weather.
A diagram.
Diagram for your home in your science notebook. Does your family have a safe place to meet in? And an emergency, where is it?
Okay, now if there is a very dangerous weather, you need to be prepared. Gamar, Fatima, Rima, Haya. You are closing your cameras and I am taking a picture of you closing the camera so to send it to the miss at the end of the day. Okay? Thank you, Gamar, for opening. What about the rest? What about the rest? Not ready? Now, if there is a dangerous weather, guys, if there is a dangerous weather, you need to be prepared. What I want you to do is to draw a diagram and label the exit. Now you have to make a plan. Where should you meet if there is a very heavy storm? Should you be next to the windows, next to the door, or a place where you will be safe?
Place that you will be safe.
Okay, where is this place?
Miss,
Yes,
sorry I'm late because it didn't let me join.
it's okay. Now, where is this place? Come on, guys. Where is this place, the safer place? If there is a heavy storm and you are not near windows, you are not near doors, where are you?
In your room.
Or you can meet in the hallways. Hallways doesn't have windows, doesn't have doors, so you can stay there until the storm finish. Is that right? What about fire? If there is a fire, where should you go or where should you meet?
The a place that doesn't have fire.
Okay, where? Guys, you need to make a plan, an emergency plan. It will help you survive during heavy weather or bad conditions. Let's see the answers. For example, okay? Please, Sila, can you read for me if there's a fire in our house? Open your mic, please, and read.
Yes.
Read for me.
Where?
If there is a fire in our house,
Our meeting place is in the backyard by the shed. If it's stormy, we meet in the hallway because it doesn't have any windows.
excellent. See? So if it's stormy, where you will meet?
If it's stormy, we meet in the hallway.
And if there is a fire, where you are going to
We
meet?
go to the backyard into the shed.
Excellent. So is it helpful to have a plan and make a diagram about it and keep it in each room?
Yes.
Yes, because when you make a plan and you make a drawing or a model of an emergency plan, you can put it in every room and distribute it for the whole family and tell them when it's very dangerous weather or when there is an emergency condition, you should do or you should follow this plan. This is an emergency plan. This is where we should meet. Now,
So, Miss, I have a question.
yes.
If we don't have a courtyard in our house,
Maybe you should go out of the house. You should go out from the door. You gather up outside the apartment.
Teacher,
Going to the roof. Maybe you have to climb to the roof. Use the stairs. You should say that you use the stairs. Now remember at school, we had a plan for emergency, like fire. Yes.
going down the table.
Yes.
or they can just like go to a random house or like ask people to stay for a little bit. So that's some difference you can do.
This is a little bit too far, yeah, Tsila. Going down the under the tables, if there is sorry, if there is what do you call it? Not a hurricane, huh?
Earthquake.
Yes, during earthquake, you'll
And
go
Miss,
under
sometimes
the
you
table.
can hold. The teachers can hold onto it.
Should we write
But if
this?
there is
The one in the-
but if there is a fire, not yet, not right, do not write yet. Wait, please. But if there is a fire, you need to follow the signs to the exit doors, how to go out. Every year, the school give you a plan and they ask you to follow this emergency plan. They use a two-dimensional model, which is a map or signs. They will tell you, please follow the sign to the exit doors so you can meet or gather up outside to the yard or the playground.
Okay,
Right?
if the elevator doesn't work, we're gonna
No,
go down the stairs.
during fires, we never use elevator. We never use electricity. You never touch electricity or use something that uses electricity. You unplug everything you can see and then you follow the signs and go out. You need outdoor area, okay? So you can breathe. So,
In our old school, something really funny happened with fire.
okay, you can tell me later, my love, okay? After we
Okay.
finish. Making model, two-dimensional models, is it helpful or not?
What's the question again?
Making models, is it helpful or not?
Yes, helpful.
Very helpful. Having an exit plan or an emergency plan, you make a map or you make a diagram. If you are doing this, is it helpful? Is it important?
Yeah.
Can you tell me how can your model help you in an emergency? If you are in an emergency situation, huh?
Like a map, and like it tells
I
you
will
where.
go down the
Excellent,
exit.
excellent. It will tell you where to go or where to meet. Very good.
Yeah, and there's like gonna be like an exit sign. It's gonna tell
excellent.
us to go.
Again, guys, with the cameras. Thank you. I'm taking pictures now. Thank you very much.
Miss, I'm not done writing.
I am taking pictures of girls who's not opening their cameras. Thank you, guys.
Miss, like, now I'm gonna open it.
I'm unhappy with that. Now let's
I'm
open.
gonna open. I'm not done writing, okay?
Now let's open to page 52. Please, I need someone to read, and we are going to summarize. Please.
Page what?
Can you read?
What?
Page 52.
Page what?
Miss, wait.
Hella.
Miss.
Okay, this is a summary of our lesson. I need you to read, and then we will answer the question.
Miss, can I tell you what happened in my old school after the class?
Yes, of course. After the class, you can tell me whatever you want. Now, please, Hella, start reading. Everyone open this page.
For scientists, a model.
Yes. For scientists, a model
is a
Okay, Hala, can you read or not?
I can't, but I don't understand this word.
You can read from your book. A model represents something.
A model something real that is too big, too small, or has too many parts to investigate
Directly.
Scientists use models to investigate and understand the real thing.
Thank you. Thank you. Dana, can you complete? Where you should listen to your friend. Please focus. Everyone, so your friend. Okay, so you will.
But the iPad fall.
It's fine. So you will continue after Dana. Guys, please concentrate. Someone will continue after Dana. Okay, she is here. And understand the real thing.
And understand the real thing. Similar kinds of models are used in science. Dimensional models, such as drawing, diagrams, and maps, have length and width.
Thank you. Thank you, Adana. Next, Maria Muwaffaq, please, can you continue reading?
Okay. Three-dimensional models have length, width, and height.
Excellent. Gamar? Thank you, Maria. Gamar, can you continue?
Computer models are computer programs that behave like them. real things. Some models, such as models of storms, can be used to save lives.
Excellent, thank you. So the main idea of this paragraph that models in science are like real things and are used to understand real things. Now, who can tell me what are the kinds of models? Over here, the two-dimensional models. Okay, they are flat like a map or a diagram. What is the second one? Huh? What is the second one? Hi, Lara Justania. You have two-dimensional model. What else? It's written here in the paragraph. Hi, Lara. What is the second kind? Two-dimensional model, like drawings, diagrams, maps. They have length and width. What else? Lara, wake up, wake up. How many models do you have? How many kinds of models, ya Lara? It's written over here.
Programs.
Okay, focus with us. Listen to your friends. Fatima, what is the other kind of models? Hi, Fatima. You don't know? I was explaining to who? We have 3 types of models, guys. How many types of models? 3 types. We said a two-dimensional that have what? A width and a length. And it looks like a map or a diagram.
Okay, Miss, can you go back to the page?
No, this is the page. See? It's written over here. Dana, can you tell me what is the second model?
51. The second model is the third dimensional.
Excellent. Why 3-dimensional models? Why we call it 3-dimensional? It has what and what and what?
It has width and
Yes.
height.
Yes.
Height and I know.
Here.
And length.
Excellent, excellent, very good. Okay, what about the third one? Who can tell me? The third model. 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, one more. Huh? One more.
Yes, I know.
I have only Maria and Dana. Yes, Maria. What is the third one?
Computer.
Excellent, a computer model. A computer model uses what?
Programs.
Excellent. Well done, well done. So we have a 3-dimensional model and a computer model that uses computer programs. It will act like real things. Fatima, instead of writing, you need to understand, okay? You need to understand first and then write, okay, guys? Do you have any questions?
No.
Tomorrow I'm going to ask you before we start the class. I hope you are ready to answer me tomorrow, okay? If you have any question, I'm going to wait for you until you finish right. Now let's say bye-bye to recording. That was everything for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
We still have 7 minutes.